All right, solar reps, brokers, company owners, consultants. This is Joe Dickinson. I'm the creator of the Run with Solar marketing system and software, and I got something free for you today, 100% free, that you can use to generate leads in your local area. And this can equate to 1, 2, 3, or even more, just kind of like extra installs every single month by utilizing print materials. Now, I want to walk you through exactly what we have consultants doing all around the nation that are seeing success with these, because you might say, nah, man, been there, done that, tried it. I want to do ads. I want to knock on doors. You should do all that stuff, but you also should leverage print materials, especially strategic ones, and we're going to give those to you 100% free. So all you got to do is this. Number one, access the actual print materials. So go ahead and if you're in an email or something, you can probably click this link, or if you're on YouTube, the link will be in the description. Go ahead and go to this link right here, runwithsolar.online/Canva templates. When you go here, you're going to see a video at the very top. It walks you through in detail exactly how to use these print materials here, but check these out. If you're knocking on doors, which you should be, and someone does not answer, here's some really strong flyers that you can customize, 100% make them customized to you, and then order prints right through Canva. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second, but this is your knock door, no answer template. Here's your giveaway funnel template. This you have to have the system for, so I'm not going to walk you through that one, but this is incredibly powerful. Watch this video at the top. It'll walk you through that. Business card templates. Y'all need business cards to be on your person, and I'm going to share with you next what to do with these print materials to generate those extra 1, 2, or 3 installs a month or more. But business card templates, you got to have those. And then solar savings calculator funnel flyers. This one doesn't really make sense unless you have the marketing system, so we'll come back to that. And then dinner seminar template. I've got some consultants and even a couple companies that are actually just working this model, teaching their consultants to run like free dinner seminars. So they put together a free dinner in the local restaurant or something, invite families to come, hey, you and one guest, so, husband and wife or your spouse or whatever can come with you to these dinners, get a free dinner in exchange for hearing about solar and how it can potentially save them money, put money back in their pocket, help home value, etc. So here's the sweet thing. With these, all you've got to do is, let's just say you wanted to customize these knock door, no answer flyers. All you got to do is find the one that you like. You can do all 3 if you want. But let's just say you like this one right here. Click use this template. It will basically redirect you to canva.com. Set up a free account there. And then if you already have one, great. Click use this template. And it's going to actually open this template up inside your Canva account, and you can edit this whatever you'd like. So put your company logo here or get rid of it if you want. It's totally up to you. Type in what you want to type in here. And then all you got to do is and put your phone number, your name, your web address, etc. And then all you got to do is right here, see where it says print flyers? Just click on this, and you can actually go ahead and print flyers. So 50 flyers, $28, 25, $20. It's really awesome, cheap material to be able to leave, and this can equate to getting installs. So that's that one, but check this one out here. Say you want to do this one here, you click use this template. Now, once again, this only makes sense if you have the system, but check this out. If you were dealing with like a front and back of a card, you can click right here, edit this however you'd like, put your giveaway funnel link, which you actually get with the marketing system underneath the lead capture pages. That's a perk for being a Run with Solar member. We give you done-for-you funnels that when leads come through here, they all enter in your contacts and lead section, and it's a really good way of generating solar leads. So let's just say you were customizing this one. You'd put your link here, click here, edit the back, put all your info here, boom, click print business cards. And you can see 50 copies, $15. You can get 500 copies for $50, guys. That's 10 cents a card, right? So now that you kind of know how this works, right, you can access these totally free. When you go back over to here, you pick your template, customize it, you order your prints, and then you distribute them. Here's what I got a lot of consultants doing. Putting these down in coffee shops and laundromats and local shops. You've probably been to a coffee shop or somewhere before where you've seen business cards kind of laying there. So get your cards distributed in a bunch of like local businesses, etc. As long as the company or the business owner is okay with that, put it in there, and that can really help. If you get a bunch of print materials floating around there, even at like grocery stores when you're leaving, look for the cork boards on the exits. There's usually flyers and stuff. You can put stuff there too. So get creative with this. Put these things out there. Leverage some of the print materials that we have, and if you get 4, 5, 6 different places having your material, you're gonna pick up leads, generally speaking, month by month, just because you've got that out there. And what did it cost you? A couple $100 maybe to get the print materials all made, and you've got hundreds of them. So do that, and of course, have them on your person and hand out. So that's just one of the features inside the system. This works even better if you are a marketing system user. You gain access to all this stuff, and if you don't have an account yet and you want to try it out totally free, just go to runwithsolar.online and check it out. You can get this system and all this stuff in here. Complete CRM, done-for-you sales funnels, recommended Facebook and Instagram ads, professionally designed print materials, a powerful marketing app, done-for-you content, marketing automation, email, all that stuff is here. Watch this video to walk you through it, and it's super affordable. You can get these services that would cost you hundreds of dollars a month for less than 30, 50, or 70. Go try it out for free for 3 days. If you don't love it, cancel. You won't be charged, but we think you will. Reach out to us, and on the Pro package, everyone gets an onboarding call. So, appreciate you all. We hope to see you on the inside and talk with you, help you scale your solar business online and beyond. Talk to you in a bit. Bye-bye.